Let's perform a quick unboxing of Realme Note 70T. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, what accessories do we get, and how the phone looks like. So first we have this paper box, and over here we have our smartphone. We're gonna take a look at the smartphone just in a second, but first let's take a look at the box itself. Sorry. Let's see what we can find inside. And here is everything that we get. So here we can find the plastic case, the protective case that we can use at least temporarily. We also have the SIM eject tool. This is how the case looks like. Besides that, we have, of course, some papers and the USB-C cable. It is actually USB-C with USB-A. So on one side we have USB-A instead of USB-C on both ends. And unfortunately, this version doesn't have the charger or power adapter included. This is the European version, so this is why we don't have the charger. And now let's open the phone. There we go. We can easily remove the phone from this paper. And this is how the phone looks like. Let's take a look at the top. There is nothing. Here's the left side, so we have the SIM tray over here. Now on the right side we have volume buttons and the power button. And then at the bottom we have the charging port or USB-C port, a speaker, and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and of course the microphone. So a pretty good addition. Good thing that we have the headphone jack input. And that's pretty much it. So this is how the phone presents. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.